finally shaking off winter and heading into spring. This is traditionally the time where people tidy things up, so why stop at your house? Here's how to tidy up your tech life. And number 5, clean up your hard drive. It's amazing how quickly big drives can get filled up. If you want to know where all your space went, both macOS and Windows 10 have built-in tools to help. On macOS, click the Apple menu, then About This Mac. Hit the Storage tab, then Manage. You will see a breakdown of what's on your Mac. On Windows 10, head into Settings, then System, then Storage. There, you can turn on Storage Sense, which will automatically delete unnecessary files. And number 4, unsubscribe from those promotional emails that you don't want. You can do it manually by searching your email for the word unsubscribe, and then go through each piece of email. Or, you could use a service like Unroll.me, which will search through your emails and let you quickly get rid of those annoying promo emails. Unroll.me can send you a digest version of the promo emails you want to keep, so you just get one email instead of many. Number 3, check out which apps have access to your Google account. The fastest way to get there is by going to myaccount.google.com. On the left side, click Apps with Account Access. From there, click Manage Apps on the right side. Here, you will see what apps can access your Google account and how much access they have. You can do a quick search for full access to see what apps can do anything with your Google account. Get rid of whatever you're not using. Number 2, check your social permissions. Head on over to Facebook, hit Settings, then hit Apps. Here you can see all the different places you've logged in using Facebook. You can disconnect your Facebook account from all those services you never use. In my case, my Facebook account was still linked to Vine. Remember Vine? You can do the same thing with Twitter by going into Settings and clicking Apps. You can revoke access to all kinds of things, like AOL Livestream or Windows Phone. The number 1 spring cleaning tech tip is it's time to delete some apps from your phone. If you're running iOS 11, head to Settings, then General, then Storage. You'll have the option to offload unused apps. Below that, you'll see which apps are using up the most space and when you last used the app. On a Samsung phone, head to Settings, Device Maintenance, then tap Storage. You'll see where your space went. Tapping Apps will bring you a list of apps that appears to be sorted by how often you use the app. Rarely used apps are at the top. For those of you who are hesitant to delete any of your apps because you never know when you'll need them again, here's a bonus tip. Take those questionable apps and put them in a folder marked Delete in a month. Set a calendar reminder to tell you to check the folder in 1 month. If you haven't used it by then, maybe it's time to delete that app. Oh, and one more thing before we go, you probably also want to clean off your phone because it probably goes with you everywhere, and I mean everywhere. What other spring cleaning tech tips do you guys have? Let me know. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and I'll see you online.
Situations getting